Okay, so this actually is about the 5 sentences of the latest chapter of Zorro. The first sentence, the punishment for traitors is death. The sentence starts with punishment. But what kinds of punishment? Punishment for traitors. Punishment for traitor is a prepositional phrase starting with a prepositions for, followed with traitors. Prepositional phrase could be a yellow, could be a green, but this time telling you more about the blue. So that's why it's a yellow. So every sentence has a color red. This one is the color red. And what is the punishment? Punishment, death, death, punishment. All right, so they are actually talking about the same things. All right, so this one you can tell is a pattern number 2. Punishment is death. Okay. Pattern number 2. All right, then the next one. What time the sentence start? The sentence start with early in the morning. So in the evening is another prepositional phrase starting with prepositions in, followed with evening. So in the evening, it could be a yellow, could be a green for all prepositional phrases. But this time it's a green because it's a function like an adverb. Okay, all color green are representing adverb. Okay, so the sentence starting with Zorro. Zorro, what does he do? Sends. So it's a color red. Send what? A message. Okay, where is the message sent? So to the Avengers is the place that the message sent. So to the Avengers is another prepositional phrase starting with prepositions to, followed with the Avengers. This time it's a green because telling you more about color red, sense. Okay. Now question number 3. For blue, red, blue, Zorro sends a message. Blue, red, blue. You can tell blue, red, blue is a pattern number 3. Got it? So that's why. Pattern 3. Now we are moving to the other part. At midnight, Zorro and the Avengers meet at the lake. So at midnight is telling you the time for the whole sentence. We put the time at midnight at the beginning of the sentence because it's telling the reader time is now different from what we have read in the early. Okay, so question number 2 is early in the evening, but question number 3 is at midnight. So that's why that's the difference. So at midnight is another prepositional phrase function as a color green this time. Okay. So the color blue is Zorro and the Avengers. Okay. So what is the color red? Meet. Where? At the lake. Because at the lake is another prepositional phrase telling you more about where they meet. Okay. So prepositions starting with at and follow with another color blue, the lake. So you can tell all prepositional phrase is starting with preposition plus a blue, okay, a noun. So one blue, one red. Which sentence pattern? One blue, one red. It should be pattern number 1, okay. Okay, then we are moving to the other sentence. Question number 4. We are here to rescue Don Polito and his family. The sentence starting with we, follow with linking verb are, because the word here is a pronoun. Okay, pronoun here. Okay, they are actually talking about the same things linked up by is was word are. Okay, what is the reason we are here? To rescue Don Polito and his family is the reason. Providing reasons of a sentence, so it is another adverb, but this adverb is a to infinitive phrase, starting with to, followed with a color red, rescue. Okay, to rescue is a to infinitive. And to infinitive could be color blue, could be color green, could be color yellow, but this time it's telling you the whole sentence. So it's a function of an adverb. So it's a color green. All adverb is color green. Okay. Then one blue, one border blue, because we and here are the same, so they link up by are. So only one form of sentence will have a linking verb. That is pattern number 2. We are here. Okay. Pattern number 2. Last one. You take Don Carlos to the village of Pala. Sentence starting with you, followed with take. Take what? Take Don Carlos. But actually the sentence doesn't mean you take Don Carlos. They actually follow with to the village of Pala. To the village of Pala is telling you more about Don Carlos. So it's telling you Don Carlos to the village of Pala. Okay, so prepositional phrase starting with to, follow with the village. Okay, and tell you more about Don Carlos. Don Carlos to the village of Pala. Okay, so it is another kinds of pattern: blue, red, blue, and a border yellow. What is a border yellow? A border yellow is different from a yellow. You can see here. Punishment for traitors. For traitor is not a necessary part in a sentence. You can easily drop it without affecting the whole sentence. However, if you drop to the village of Pala, the difference of the sentence will be different. So you take Don Carlos is different from you take Don Carlos to the village of Pala. So this yellow is something you can't drop. So it's a border yellow. Blue, red, blue, and a border yellow. So only pattern 5, blue, red, blue, and a border yellow will have this. Okay, you take Don Carlos to the village of Pala. Okay. Now, this one, pattern number 5. Okay. Oh, by the way, of Pala is another color yellow, telling you more about the village. Okay, village. What kinds of village? Village of Pala. So, of Pala is another prepositional phrase because telling you more about color blue. So it must be a color yellow. All right. So, do some rehearsal. Okay, and try to illustrate and explain by yourself. Okay, that's all.